Hey guys, we're going to take you through the unboxing of the XiP toolkit and wash container. Let's get to it. Safety first. Always keep your knife pointed away from you. Be sure to close your knife too when you're done cutting. Now with the help of some movie magic, we'll zip through to show what's included with your XiP toolkit and wash container. To start, the tray. This will help keep your workspace nice and clean. Next, snips to trim supports from your print. A scraper to remove prints from the build plate. Spatula in case you need to check your vat. 2 metal files, flat and half round, for post-processing prints. A cleaning tool for the resin vat. And you can't work without gloves for safety. A resin filter. A funnel for moving resin. A drip tray that goes in your wash container and includes a matching guard to hold your XiP's build plate in place. Finally, a wash container. Bravo! Now you're ready to print.